What is up, guys? Welcome back to Shannon Bradford Outdoors, or welcome to Shannon Bradford Outdoors. It's been a while since I've made a video. Recently moved to Oregon from Utah, and but yeah, we're out here duck hunting. Haven't posted a video because I've been exploring around quite a bit. So, gone out surf perching, caught some cabezon, hooked into a couple salmon. Haven't landed one yet, but yeah, some rockfish, some greenling and rock kelp greenling and rock greenling. So I'll put up a couple photos and stuff of everything. But gone hunting a couple times. The bufflehead are all over the place around the coast right now. So anyway, we've got 6 bufflehead decoys out, 2 goose decoys, a couple mallard decoys out there. We're in a little wooden blind here, so kind of nice little spot that I found on some public land. So anyway, we got about 10 minutes till shooting light, 10-15 minutes, and then I'll kind of show you the spread a little better. But got a little jerk rig going on, get some movement out there. No wind today, which kind of sucks, but I had the day off, so might as well get out here. So anyway, catch in a bit. Alright, we got a bunch of stuff dumping in here right now. Officially shooting light. I just can't tell what they are yet, so I think we'll wait a little bit. I probably have at least one Drake bufflehead out there. Probably a bunch of hens out there too. Maybe some ringneck. Yeah, guys, there's at least 3 Drake bufflehead out there. You probably can't see as well quite yet, but still waiting for a little bit more light so you can see a little better, and then we'll jump up and see what we can get. Oh, we did it. Got 3 drakes. All right, my kayak today is my jet sled, so it's a little deep, this pond, and then, oh, there's one. Oh, it's a hand buffle. Yeah, this pond's a little deep and extremely muddy. You just sink right into it. So, look at this bad boy. Oh, there's one. Oh, there's 2. There's 3. And here's I think it was a ringneck, let's see. And boom. All right, guys, back at the blind, looking at it closer, it is a Scaup, I'm pretty sure. So, first time ever shooting one of them. So that's pretty cool. Beautiful bufflehead. Super bright colors. Really cool bird. Alrighty, guys, got a little jerk cord here. Get some movement on the water. No wind, so could have a smaller spread and a little bit of movement. So got that to create some ripples out there. Yeah, we got 2 goose decoys off to the side here. bunch of bufflehead decoys and then a couple mallard decoys in there. So that's the spread. Small spread, just, again, no wind. So far so good. Just gotta wait for another round of birds to come in, hopefully. Bunch of geese I'm hearing, you know, way off in the back, but haven't had any lookers or anything yet, so, but I don't know, we'll see. Oh, here come two, here come two. Oh! I missed. Damn it. Oh shit. Oh shit, they're gonna land again though. I don't have any shells on me. I don't have any shells. That's funny. I don't know how I missed, but I did. I don't know how I missed those guys. Totally missed those ones though. It was pretty bad. Oh, here comes some more. Here comes some more. Holy crap. Ow! I freaking suck. What's going on? There we go, look at that, pretty bird right there. That's a Scaup, baby. That's sick. Drake. Pretty bird. Oh, there's one. It's like a little hen buffle. Yeah, hen bufflehead. Alrighty guys, I think that's gonna be it for this video. Got 3 bufflehead, a male Scaup, super blue bill there, pretty bird, a hen. Yeah, pretty cool. First time ever shooting a Scaup. 3 beautiful bufflehead. So yeah, super stoked about that. I think that's gonna be it for this video. Not having much fly in anymore. A bunch of Scaup are still flying. A couple bufflehead. I've seen a couple hens and stuff, but can't shoot any more Scaup. 2 is the bag limit there for them. I could get a couple more bufflehead, but I really don't want to shoot any hens. really don't want to shoot any hens. So anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next one.